guys, welcome to critter.pop. Today we are making a beginner and wallet-friendly air dry clay Chihuahua. I'm not a professional clay artist, I usually make illustrations, but thought this would be super fun. You will definitely need a cute idea that can be anything you can imagine and some basic supplies. I would like to encourage you to use what you already have and just be creative with it. It can be easy to get lost when you see all the aesthetic videos with expensive materials. I'm going to make my childhood best friend, Zizi, so I sketched out the idea I'm going for. I start out by making the chunky body shape and the cute head. Then I add the legs he's sitting on and the cute little tail. It is important to work the pieces together, which you can also do by using the back of your brush. Don't be afraid to use a little water on your hands, it makes working with clay easier. I continue with the front legs using the same method. When adding the head to the body, I make a long strip to work the two pieces together and make it durable. I go ahead and smooth out everything. After that, I add some googly eyes to make it extra cute and funny. When adding the eyes and ears, make sure that everything is connected fully so they won't fall apart while drying. In case something falls off, you can save it by gluing it back at the end, just don't stress on it. Once the sculpture is ready, you can wait for it to dry. If you use air dry clay and you're impatient like me, you can also bake it. Place it in a cold oven and set it to 200 Celsius. Bake it for 20 minutes and you should be good to go. I start to paint the eyes using an acrylic brush marker and continue with acrylic paints. Acrylic paint is not the best for this job, gouache paint would give a smoother finish, but I don't have that. Don't worry about it too much, just make sure you're enjoying the process and having fun. It doesn't have to look perfect or professional, there is always room for experimenting. When painting, make sure to not touch the wet parts and wait for the paint to dry between colors. I'm going to use Mr. Super Clear Matte Sealant because that is what I already have. A nice resin coating would give a much smoother finish and a more professional look, but resin is expensive and pretty hard to get. Regardless of what you choose, make sure to wear a mask and gloves and do it in a well-ventilated environment to protect yourself. My little Chihuahua is ready, and I think he's super cute. I'm glad you followed my journey making him, and make sure to subscribe to see more of my videos making cute little art pieces. Bye!